shit off Porter's on that. Hey, seriously?
Oh no, yeah, here we go. Here we go.
Oh, look at the hamstrings on that guy. Look at him. Look at him.
No, look at the hamstrings on this.
Yeah. See him? Look at him, man. Lovely.
Fantastic. Hey, lovely.
He can't even reach his foot. I want it there. I want it there. Don't have his foot. Oh, yeah, look at it.
Excuse me. Will I be able to finish the
Straight in the tribune.
His approach play is pretty good. Approach play is pretty good. It's just getting in and out.
It's good. Fine.
13 dead.
We're still winning.
Right, Mac, you ready?
Yeah.
After 3. 1, 2, 3, come on! You want to back? You did it! You are!
Yeah, baby! That's why I married her.
Good to
12,
12,
the winner! Congratulations!
Thanks very much.
Congratulations, for an old man, you did really well.
Thanks very much. It took a lot of training. It was something I worked for a while now. It's fantastic. It's what I've worked for a long time now. And do you know, I feel like I did it with a palm. I think it's like a shirt and tie. I did it.
You didn't start. You didn't start.
I didn't start, exactly.
Yeah!
Kennel!
Yeah!
Matt Kennel!
Can we have a speech about your wife?
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
How does this reflect on your family and everything? Can you speak into the camera, please, and let us know?
I think it makes me look like a twat, doesn't it? Because it was a stupid game. Why the hell were we playing it? It was ridiculous.
Well, it actually meant a lot to me.
Such a game.